Imagine giving an AI one simple goal and then telling it, figure out how to get it done. No step-by-step instructions. No human checking every decision. Just one goal and an AI agent trying to achieve it. Sounds amazing, right? But here's the scary part. What happens when the AI makes a decision that you never expected? This is why AI agents are becoming one of the biggest topics in artificial intelligence. A normal chatbot waits for your question. You ask something, it answers. But an AI agent can go much further. You can give it a goal, and it can break that goal into steps. It can search for information. Use tools. Write code. Analyze data. And sometimes even take actions without asking you after every single step. Now imagine having not one AI agent, but hundreds of them. One agent researches. Another writes code. Another checks the work. Another makes decisions. And they all communicate with each other. Sounds like the perfect digital workforce. But there's a problem. What happens when two AI agents have different goals? Imagine one agent is told, finish the task as fast as possible. Another is told, make sure everything is extremely accurate. Both agents are doing what they were told. But their priorities are different. And when powerful systems have conflicting goals, their decisions can conflict too. That's where things get really interesting. Because the biggest challenge with future AI may not be making it smarter. It may be making sure that smarter AI stays under control. And this is only the beginning. Now imagine this happening in the real world. One AI agent is managing a company's software. Another is handling cybersecurity. Another is analyzing financial data. And another is making business decisions. If these systems don't communicate properly, one AI could make a decision that creates a problem for another. And because AI works extremely fast, humans might not notice the problem immediately. That's why researchers are focusing on something called AI alignment. The idea is simple: AI should follow goals that match what humans actually want. But here's the difficult part. The more autonomous an AI becomes, the harder it can be to predict every decision it will make. And that's why human control is still extremely important. The future probably won't be humans versus AI. It could be humans working with AI. Think about it. Instead of one person doing everything, you could have several AI agents working like a digital team. One researches. One creates. One analyzes. One checks the results. And a human makes the final decision. That could completely change how businesses, education, software development, and even everyday work operate. But there's one question we still need to answer. If AI agents become powerful enough to make important decisions, who should have the final control? The AI? The company? Or the human? Because making AI smarter is only half the challenge. The bigger challenge is making sure that intelligence is used safely. And the AI race has already started. The question is, are we ready for what comes next? If you want more simple explanations about AI, technology, and the future, subscribe to NextMind AI. Because the future isn't coming someday, it's already being built.